In this video, I will show you how to fix Cash App sponsor limit. So let's jump straight into it. So if you are facing a Cash App sponsor limit issue, it's possible that you're referring to a restriction placed on your Cash App account related to sponsored or promotional activities. Now, there's a couple of things you can do to address it. The first thing you're going to want to do is review the Cash App policies. So what you want to do is familiarise yourself with Cash App's terms of service, including any specific guidelines related to sponsored activities or promotions. Make sure that your actions comply with their policies to avoid, of course, triggering any current limits or restrictions. Now, after checking this, what you can do is reach out to Cash App's customer support team directly through the app or their website. What you're going to want to do is explain the situation and provide any relevant details about the sponsorship or promotional activity that may have led to the limit being imposed. They can, of course, then offer specific guidance on how to address the issue and potentially lift the limit on your account. Now, at this point, Cash App may require further verification or information to lift the limit, so be prepared to provide it promptly. This may include details about the sponsorship arrangement, documentation, or any other relevant evidence to support your case. If Cash App support provides instructions or requests specific actions to resolve the issue, make sure to follow them carefully and promptly. This may involve completing certain steps within the app or providing additional documentation as requested. So resolving account limits or restrictions can take some time, of course, dependent on the complexity of the issue and the verification process involved. It's important at this point to just remain patient and cooperate with Cash App support team to ensure a swift resolution. Now, by following the steps in this tutorial and cooperating with Cash App support team, you can work towards resolving the sponsor limit on your Cash App account. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.